Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Rabia Kamran on behalf of Chalo Padho with Rabia. This is chapter number 2 of your D1 book, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers. Topic is 2.4 Rational Numbers and Real Numbers. Here I am going to tell you that this is the last topic of this chapter and this is exercise number 2D, and I am going to solve some of the questions of this exercise for you. Question number 1 is find the value of each of the following. I'm going to discuss in front of you part A. So part A is negative 1 by 2 plus negative 3 by 4. First of all, I will write solution, and then this is negative 1 by 2 plus negative 3 by 4. As you can see that both are proper fractions. How will we add or subtract proper fractions? I will tell you. Here this is negative 1 by 2. First of all, I will open the small bracket. Now here this is the small bracket, negative 3 by 4. First I will open the bracket as the rule shows, plus minus minus, and that would be 3 by 4. You can solve this question by two methods. In the first method, you will be making equivalent fractions, and in the second method, you will take the LCM of the denominator. 2 and 4. How will you take it? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, and LCM would be 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. This is the LCM. So I will make here this line. I will write here 4, and now I will divide this 4 by this 2. What would be my answer? That would be 2. And now I will multiply this 2 by this numerator. What would be my answer? My answer would be 2. So I will write here, this negative sign will come here and this minus sign also come here. Now again 4 ones are 4, and I will multiply this 4 by 3. What it would be? 1 threes are 3. So my answer would be 3, like this. And in numerator there is negative 2 minus 3, and now I can add or subtract the numbers in numerator, and which is the bigger absolute value. 3 is bigger than 2 and the sign of 3 is negative, so negative will come, and minus minus plus, you will add them. That would be 5 upon 4. Now if your answer will come in improper fraction, keep it in your mind that you will be changing it into mixed number, and what it would be? 4 ones 4 and 1 5. This is the answer of part A. Negative 1 by 2 plus negative 3 by 4 is equal to negative 1 whole 1 by 4. This is your answer. And now I will put it inside a box. Now I will start part C. Again, we will be doing the same thing. First of all, I will write the solution over here. As you can see that we cannot solve it directly because both the numbers are mixed numbers. So first we will change it into improper fractions. 5 5s are 25, and 25 plus 1 26 upon 5, and minus sign. 2 4s are 8, 8 and 1 9. This is 9 upon 2. There are two methods. Either you can make the denominator same by using equivalent fraction, or you can take the LCM of denominators. So I will use this method. So I will use LCM method. This is 5 and 2. As you can see that there is no common factor in between 5 and 2. So LCM, we can find out the LCM directly by multiplying both the numbers. 5 2s are 10. So I will write here 10. Now I will divide this 10 by 5. 2 would be our answer, and 2 multiplied by 26, what it would be? 2 multiplied by 26, that is 52. So I will write here 52, and and minus as it is. Now I will divide this 10 by 2. What would be our answer? 2 5s are 10. A small 5 and 5 multiplied by 9. What it would be? 5 9s are 45. And as you can see that there is nothing before 52, so positive sign would be over there, and which is bigger? 52 is bigger than 45, so positive sign will come, which would be invisible, as you know, and plus minus minus, so 45 out of 52, 7 upon 10, and this is a proper fraction, so no need to change it into mixed number. Okay, I have solved for you only two parts, A and C, and you will be solving by taking help from these parts, part B and part D. Now I am going to solve question number 3 for you, and here first I will solve part B. Part B is 2 whole 3 by 5 multiplied by 15 upon 26. How will we solve that? As you have already done in class 5. First I will change it into improper fraction, the mixed number, then I will solve it. So first of all I will write solution over here. If you follow this format, your presentation will be very good and your teacher will be impressed by you a lot. So I have written the question. And now how would I solve it? First of all, I will change it into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 and 10 and 3 13. 13 upon 5 multiplied by 15 upon 26. So now what will you do? This 13, first you will check this 13 with 5. Is this simplifying or not? No, because there is no common factor in between 13 and 5. Now I will check this 13 with 26, which is in denominator. You can see that yes, 13 was a 13 and 13 2s are 26. So I will cut this 13 by 26. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. And now I will work on this 15, which is in numerator, and with this 15 I will check 5. Is there any common factor in between 5 and 15? Yes, there is common factor. And what is this? This is 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. Now I will check this 3 with 2. Is this simplifying or not? No, there is no common factor in between 3 and 2, so I will leave it as it is. And now I will multiply this 3 by 1 and this 2 by 1. What would be our answer? This is 3 by 2, and now again it's an improper fraction, so I would change it into mixed number, and what it would be? 2 1s are 2, and that would be 1 whole 1 by 2. This is our answer, and this is 2 whole 3 by 5 and 15 by 26 is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2. This is our answer. I will put it inside a box. That's it. Now I am going towards the next question, which is part D. 1 whole 7 by 9 divided by 4 by 3. Again the same process. First of all I will write your solution. There are two fractions. The first one is a mixed number and second one is improper fraction. So I will change the mixed number into improper fraction. 9 1s are 9 and 7, that would be 16 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 3. As you know that whenever we are going to divide any number by another number, so the other number will be flipped over. So I will write here 16 upon 9. I will change this division by multiplication and I will flip over this fraction as 3 upon 4. I have changed it into multiplication, so the same process will be going on as 16. First of all, I will check 9 for 16. Are they coming in the same table, or is there any common factor in between them? You can see that there is no common factor, so leave it as it is. Now 16 with 4, yes, it is going with 4, so I will cut it. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now I will check 3 4 9. Yes, there is a common factor which is 3 in between 3 and 9, so I will cut it, or I will simplify it with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, now 4 ones are 4 and 3 ones are 3. I will write here 4 upon 3. Again, it's an improper fraction, so I will change it into mixed number. That is the answer, and I will write answer and I will put it inside a box. Okay, this is our answer, and we have done question number 1 and question number 3. Now we are going towards question number 5. Find the value of each of the following. I am going to solve part B for you. 4 upon 15 divided by negative 10 upon 3. I will rewrite the question from here, and as you can see that there is 4 upon 15 and negative 10 upon 3. How would we solve it? First, I will write here 4 upon 15. I will change this division by multiplication, and I will flip over this negative 10 upon 3. That would be changed into negative 3 upon 10. We will put a sign over there because there is nothing before 4 upon 15. This is positive, and as you know, this is plus minus minus. I will write here. Now I will solve this fraction. 4 with 15, no, there is no common factor in between 4 and 15. Now I will check 4 and 10. Yes, there is a common factor 2 in between them, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are. Now I will check 3. So is there any common factor in between 3 and 15? Yes, there is a common factor which is 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 5 times 15. And now I will check. There is no common factor in between 2 and 5 and 2 and 5, as well as 1 and 5 and 1 and 5. So I will multiply 2 by 1 and 5 by 5 to get our answer. That is 2 ones are 2 and 5 5s are 25. This is a proper fraction, so leave it as it is. That would be your answer, and I will write answer with proper method. Now put it inside a box like this. Okay, now we are going towards part D. I'm solving for you alternate questions, so you would be able to solve the remaining ones. This is negative 2 whole 1 by 2 and multiplied by 4 whole 2 by 5. Again, I am writing here solution first. I will change both the numbers in improper fractions. 2 2s are 4 and 5, negative 5 by 2 and multiplied by 5 4s are 20, 22 upon 5. And as you can see that this is negative 5 by 2 and this is positive 22 by 5. So I would make here a small positive sign. Now I will multiply this negative by positive. What it would be? Minus plus minus. Now I will simplify the numbers. 5, first of all I will check 5 with 2. There's no common factor in between. Now 5 by 5. Yes, there is a common factor which is 5, so I will cancel it with 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now I will check 22 for cancellation. There is a common factor in between 22 and 2, which is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. There is no common factor in numerator and the denominator. So I will multiply this 1 by 11 and 1 by 1. What it would be? 11 ones are 11 and 1 ones are 1. As you know that if there is 1 in denominator, no need to write it, it would be invisible. So your answer would be negative 11. Now I will write your answer for you, and now we will put it inside a box like this. Now we are going towards part F. Negative 8 by 9 divided by negative 1 whole 2 by 3. This is our question, and I will write the solution from here, rewrite the question, and I will write negative 8 upon 9 as it is. Division, this is the operation in between these two fractions, negative 8 by 9 and negative 1 whole 2 by 3. Now I will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So that will be 3 ones are 3, 4 and 5, 5 by 3. And now this is negative 8 by 9 and negative 5 by 3, and we are gonna perform the operation of division in between them. So that would be negative 8 by 9. I will change this division sign by multiplication sign, and a negative 5 by 3 would be punished as it would be flipped over like negative 3 by 5. Numerator would be the denominator and denominator would be changed into numerator. So now this is negative 8 by 9 and this is negative 3 by 5. Minus minus plus. Plus would be invisible, and now I would check this 8 with 9. There is no common factor. 8 with 5, there is no common factor, so leave it as it is 8. Now I will check this 3 with 9, which is in denominator. Is there any common factor? Yes, there is a common factor 3 in between them. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, now there is no common factor in between numerators and denominators. So I will multiply 8 by 1 and 3 by 5 to get our answer. 8 upon 15. 8 upon 15, this is a proper fraction, so no need to change it into mixed number. Now I will write my answer. I will put it inside a box. Now we have completed question number 1, question number 3 and question number 5. That's it. Allah Hafiz.